Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to tune your guitar with GuitarTuna. Ladies and gentlemen, we are on a mobile device now. You will be able to do this on your laptop if you have a microphone, but for now we're going to do it on the mobile device. It's the easiest way. You can see over here the GuitarTuna app. This is what we are using. You can actually go ahead and download it from the App Store or from the Play Store, and this is where it'll take you. Now at the bottom, if you're not seeing this image on the screen right now, you will actually be able to just tap on tune over here. And quite simply, on the top left, you can change the type of instrument that you're actually using. So if you're using a standard 6-string, this is how it will work. You can also go and see that there are a bunch other instruments that you can choose. Quite simply, all you'll have to do is click on it. Once you've done that, you'll be here on this page, and quite simply you can see that there is a little icon right over here in the middle, and that icon should stay in the middle when you are playing a string. All right, and you'll be playing all of your strings open, so which means you won't be putting your fingers anywhere on the guitar neck. So once you have gotten onto this page, you will keep it on auto, which is the easiest way to do this, and you will play from the beginning the E string, which is at the top of your guitar. All right, you can see that it was a little bit sharp. So what you'll do now is just tone it down with the tuning peg and play it again. Alright, so once it hits the very center, it'll give you a check mark, and it'll tell you that that string is in tune. You can do the same thing all the way through. And then if you do want to do this manually, you can just turn off auto on the top right hand side and go through the process and just choose whichever string you would like to have played.